Hey guys, so we're back. We're on our way over to the Philly RV Show out at the Expo Center in Oaks, PA, and we're just gonna capture some video and hopefully talk to some people and see some vendors and see some RVs, see some new features, and check it out. So hopefully we have some good stuff to show you here.
Check out some cool new rigs. And Will signed a paper that he's not buying a new RV.
Yeah, I really want to buy a new RV, but she won't let me. But
No.
we'll see by the end of the video.
No, we love RV.
Where we're at with that, but we'll get there.
We're not buying a new RV.
2 days, 2 dogs, 1 rig, let's go. Running on coffee and kibble, steady toe. Yeah, we roll, this is how we roll.
All right, so we're back here in the Weekends on Wheels studio doing a recap of our trip to the Philly RV Show. We're going to go through some of our favorite RVs that we saw. All right, so first up is the Grand Design Momentum 28 MAV. This is a toy hauler bumper pole, 33 feet 11 inches. Comes in a gross vehicle of 11,000 pounds. Probably would have bought this if everything worked out. Do like the inside. It's got the dinette, the kitchen. It's got a queen bed, 2 bunks on the back on jacks. Bathroom's a little small, not our favorite, but it is. It's pretty nice inside. Mostly, we really like this one because of the back porch and the small area for the golf cart that we could store, plus the little kitchenette on the back end. This porch also screens in, as you can see from the back. Would prefer one of the side ones, the newer ones coming out. Don't know if anyone's seen those, but really cool, the side porches, but they don't make one in this model. This is a small area for the golf cart, would fit perfectly, plus it's 6 points, so you could put another vehicle in there. Kitchen's great, built-in trash can next to the stove, Ashley's favorite feature. Bed's a little tight to walk past. That was the only downfall, and the bathroom is just a tad on the small size. Wish there was more space.
So next up is the Keystone Montana 3100 RL. This would be my pick if I was dreaming for a fifth wheel. The only thing we didn't like was it doesn't have the toy hauler. We can't take the golf cart. This one features the center island, the 2 couches, a king-size bed, which is nice. This does have a length of 35 feet 11 inches with a gross vehicle weight of 19,000. Only sleeps 4 though, so not great if you want to have extra people. We do like the dinette part. That's one thing we wish RV had. That kitchen island is beautiful with all the surrounding windows. My favorite part of this is this hidden storage that you can shove all your junk and close it up. It's behind the TV and just forget about it. That king bed is really nice. There's a washer dryer prep back there. This is Will's favorite part of the tool storage.
Hey guys, sorry to interrupt, but if you're liking this content, drop us a like and subscribe below. Leave us a comment. It really helps us. Next, we have the Coachman Catalina. It's a destination trailer. It's a 44 condo model. It's a bumper pole, 44 feet, 10 inches, weighing 14,219, sleeping 11. It's got 1 king, 2 queens, and a bunkhouse. It's also got sofas that pull out. This is the master bedroom. It's very spacious. It's got a nice shelf there and armoire. This is the master bathroom. It's got dual sinks, nice regular household toilet in there. This is his kitchen. It's got residential appliances. It's got the peninsula sink, which is nice. Sofa and love seat in here. Plenty of room to hang out, the whole family, and we got a fireplace and TV right here to wrap it up. But this is very nice. It's more long-term, less hauling, but it's a different thing to look at.
So keeping it with the Catalina, next up we have the Coachman Catalina 313 RLTS. It's another bumper pole, comes in at 36 feet long with a gross vehicle weight of 10,999 pounds. This one sleeps 5. You've got that beautiful center kitchen island with that nice big sink. The whole back wall is the kitchen with the entertainment center. One thing with this one is it doesn't have much storage in it. You got that nice bedroom though, that with that nice big closet back there. Not sure if it was prepped for washer and dryer, but that'd be nice if it was.
Alright, so our only motorhome on this tour, and the reason it's here is because it's for our parents. They don't know it yet, but this is the one they're going to buy. This is a Forest River East to West Entrada 2000 NS. Class C on an E350 at 24 feet 5 inches with a gross vehicle of 12,500. It's got a standard bunk above the cab. It's got a dinette. It's got the queen bed with side storage, bathroom, small sink facing out the window, 3-burner stove, queen bed in the corner, nice storage for clothes, wardrobe, dinette. This is your cab and your upper bunk. Bathrooms split up, just kind of interesting concept, but I think if you left the sink out, you could have done something better there. But so check out this fridge. You can get your snacks while you're in bed, and you can get your food out while you're cooking. Made by Furion. Dual swing fridge. I'll get a shot inside.
With the tiniest ice cube tray ever. Next up, we have the Forest River Viking 25 RB. This was another one that I really liked. This one comes in at 30 feet 9 inches with a gross vehicle weight of 7,740 pounds. This sleeps 4 to 5 people. This has that small 2-seater couch, but a really nice U-shaped dinette. A really tiny kitchen, not much storage in there. I do like the bedroom with the nice nightstands on the sides. I feel like there's a lot of room to walk in front, which not a lot of them do in this size. You've got that nice fireplace, which is cool for a cold night or if you're going out in the winter. One of my favorite parts is his bathroom. I don't know how I feel about the dual sinks, but all the room on the sink is great. You can do your hair, your makeup, whatever. Shower's mediocre. This is really nice.
Alright, next we got this Forest River Flagstaff Microlight, 22 FBS. This is a little guy. Comes in at 6794 gross vehicle weight, 23 feet 10 inches. It's nice though. It's got all your standard stuff. It's got a theater seat, a love seat. I love it. I also love those trays on either side. You know, table trays to work or eat. Nice little kitchen, big sink. Look at that Weekend on Wheels swag. Nice little bathroom here. That's all you need. It's a good size.
Next we have the Coachman Apex 224 RBS. This one comes in at 25 feet 6 inches with a weight of 6,000 pounds. This one sleeps 3 to 4. It's got that queen bed up in the bedroom. A nice bar with 2 stools. Again, this bedroom is kind of tight to walk around. I do like the storage up there. This one's pretty comparable to RB. The storage in the bathroom is great. I also really like those gold fixtures.
Alright, next up is the Coachman Apex 291 TBSS. This one's a 33 feet and 6 inch trailer. It's a vehicle weight rating of 7980 and it sleeps about 7 to 10. It's got a couple bunks in the back. It's got the U-shaped dinette, queen bed, decent kitchen, a little bit of an L. This bed storage is nice to lift up. It's got some drawers on it, but the right side looks like a bench seat. Someone figured that out for us. Really like this calendar. Small little sofa comparatively to how many people it sleeps. Nice L kitchen, U-shaped dinette, pretty large. Bathroom's moderate. You got some counter space there. Back here is a nice bunkhouse. You got a sofa there and 3 bunks. Nice place for the TV. Good hideout for the kids back there or something. Pantry storage over there.
Got another Coachman Apex. This is the 24 RBX. This one comes in a length of 29 feet 1 inch with a gross vehicle weight of 7,000 pounds and sleeps 4 people. Again, with that bed right against the wall. I don't know how you're supposed to walk through there. Got a nice L-shaped kitchen, except for the stove is only 2 burners. I don't know how I feel about that. This is where Will can't figure out how to open the fridge. But it's got another nice dinette, a little bit smaller, with some storage under there. I really like this pantry. You could really fit a lot in there. Probably put more than food. The bathrooms are nice. There's not much storage, but there's a lot of counter space. The shower's mediocre. This cabinet, I feel like they wasted a lot of space up at the top here. They could have put a couple more shelves in there.
So we're just going to round out with 2 vans.
We were pretty surprised at how many vans that they had there. It's not really our thing, we don't think, and I was surprised at how expensive they were. So this is a remote van. It's a Friday model, length 21 feet long. It's $195,000. It's a Mercedes Sprinter. I don't know if they're so expensive because of the technology to put it in such a small thing, but they are pretty pricey. But it looks kind of cool. It looks off-roadish. So you come in here, step up into it. It looks like you got a little fridge or storage pocket there to the left. This folds up in front of us to 2 more seats. Passenger seat rotates. Over there on the other side of the seat, that's a pop-up shower. It doesn't actually have a bathroom. And then at the back, it rounds out with the bed back there. So pretty interesting. Not sure how we feel about them, but...
And to round out our tour, we've got this VRV 2TB. This is probably the most expensive thing in this video. This comes in at $232,493 to start. These benches in the back fold out into a twin bed. This thing is made for 2 passengers. I don't know how I feel about the whole twin bed thing for 2 people. It has a double induction cooktop, solar panels on the top, some nice storage, I guess. There's not much, but what is here is nice. This whole bathroom situation, though, is a deal breaker for me. It's tiny, it's a wet bath, so I think in consensus, we're going to stick to the RVs. We're not van people.
Hitch pin clicks like a starting bell. Trailer settles, fits just well. Stress drops off at the edge of town when the jack stands touch the ground.
Can anyone tell us why they made this basement entrance so small?
And what the heck is this thing? So what's everybody's thoughts on these double sinks? I feel like it's kind of a waste of space because when are you both in there at the same time? I think I'd rather just have the extra countertop space.
Now this is an outdoor kitchen.
So we're through the RV show, as you saw, and I don't know, I personally have some mixed emotions about it. I feel like it was a giant RV dealership that we just went to. Seeing some of the new features that we showed you was kind of cool in the RVs and different things that we don't have the equipment for, but seeing some of the stuff was pretty good. As far as vendors and new technology and new RV equipment coming out, there really wasn't much. No, there wasn't much, unfortunately, and that's kind of what we were looking for to show you. So this year, at least, I don't know, previous years, it's our first time going to the Philly one. If you're looking for a new RV, looking for
Just
new
look
stuff,
at different stuff.
Yeah, look at different RVs and stuff. Probably great. Looking for new products, looking to talk to some vendors, looking to see what's coming out as far as the equipment on our RV market, not recommended. So we'll catch you at Hershey, and we'll be there in September, mid-September, I believe. And hopefully we'll have a little more of the equipment side of it as well as the RV stuff. What'd you think?
I was more interested in checking out all the different rigs and the stuff inside, and the interior of that looks pretty. That's a cool laundry basket.
Yeah,
I could put my washer in there. There was one with a dishwasher. That was exciting.
I got a dishwasher.
Anyway.
But yeah, so, when it comes down to it, like I said, we don't know how previous years are or future years, but this year,
not good on vendors.
Not great on vendors, but definitely had some nice RVs to check out and see different stuff. And no, we did not buy a new one.
If we had a bigger truck, we probably would have.
Yeah, there was definitely one.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, so sorry there wasn't a whole lot there with equipment and stuff, but we got some good shots of some RVs. And, thanks for joining us on the trip to the show.